I wouldn't have made it to 100 years if not for something I did early. This is what saved me. I took my ginger tea aggressively, and here I am today, aging backwards.
So guys, I'm back. Do you know that I created a video with a free AI tool, like Super Grok AI free tool? And do you know the sweetest part of this? This tool is free and unlimited. Like, you can create as many videos as you like. I can't wait to share this tool with you guys. So now I don't want to talk much, but what I want you to know is that watch this video till end, so that you are not going to make any mistake, because mistake is going to cost you. You're not going to, if you just skip any part of this video, you might not understand how this tool works. Okay, so watch it till the end, and don't forget to drop a comment and tell me which other video I should do for you. I am here for you guys. Okay, so once you are done watching this video, don't forget to thank me. You can buy me shawarma. Okay, so now let's get started. So let's go and copy our prompt from our notes. Okay, so this is my prompt. You click on it, then you click select all and copy it. Then let's go to this website. This is Super Grok. You have been missing if you don't know this update. It's you can create your video unlimited, and it is free of charge. So now this is good for those that are into storytelling, those that are creating videos, those that anything you want to do. Just make sure that if you know you want to create a video and you don't need any mistake, use this website. This website also, it generates videos, it generates prompts, and it generates images. You get. So now let's paste our prompts. You click on paste. I have pasted our prompts, and the sweet thing about this website, you don't need to log in. But for those that want to store their history, you can log in. You can sign up on the website. So click on generate video. So it has taken us to the place where we're going to generate our video. You can see what it offers. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention something. This website, the only thing you need to do is it offers ads. It's ads will just pop up on your screen. It's going to pop up on your screen. It's not left for you to swipe and remove it from your screen. Okay, so this website, it generates video, it generates image, and also generates prompts for you. For those that say they don't know how to prompt, you don't know how to give AI your words, you don't know how to begin, just type whatever that is in your mind, and it's going to help you and prompt. So this is my prompt: an old British woman, age 100, looking into the camera, sitting in her kitchen, that has herbs like ginger, bay leaves, etc. And in her whatever. Let me not waste you guys time. Let's just click on generate. So you will notice now that the generate icon is already highlighted and my video is generating. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention something. I did not even set it in this video, but I'm going to do it on my next generation. You are going to click here. Let me mark it. Did you see where I click? Did you see where I clicked? Here, this place. Can you see? You click on it, okay, and then you select if you want one video at once or two. You can click here to increase it, or you type in the the number of videos you want it to generate once. But me, I prefer one, so that it's going to be apt and direct. So here you can change your aspect ratio from 16:9 to 9:16. 16:9 is for YouTube videos, 9:16 is for TikTok videos and reels and shorts. So I'm going to be selecting the landscape, which is 16:9. So we're going to use that on our next generation. But before that, let's see what it got. Sweetest thing about this website is that it generates so fast. You are not going to waste your time here, and it's so fast. Okay, so this is the Super Grok you've been praying for, and it's free and unlimited. Okay, so let's see what we are doing. So guys, make sure you watch the video to the end to see the name of this website, because you don't need to miss this. And please don't come to my comment section and tell me that it's not working when you've not watched it to the end. If you watch it to the end, there is no way whatever I taught here will not work, except those that don't follow rules and regulations. Okay, so now this is our video. Let's play it.
I wouldn't have made it to 100 years if not for something I did early. This is what saved me. I took my ginger tea aggressively and
Okay, you notice that it is not yet complete. It did not complete my script. Okay, and this is an 8 seconds video. Like, for real, where will you see a free app that will give you an 8 seconds video? Okay, so now let's generate this in again. One thing again I love about this app is that you can enhance your prompt. Let's enhance this prompt before we generate it again. We're using 16:9, the landscape, okay, that we turned it to. Now let's generate for YouTube video. You notice the one we generated looks like a TikTok video. It's going to, like, if you want to create TikTok short video, this is the best app to use, and you're going to get monetized within 30 days. I promise you that, if you know what you're doing. So let's generate. Okay, one thing I love about this app is so fast. So guys, while we wait for our video to generate, I want to tell you something. One thing about this YouTube is that the way YouTube is demonetizing channels now, you need to be smart and intelligent in order to get monetized on this YouTube space, because it now looks as if demand is now lower than supply. Do you know? Supply is higher than demand. That is what I mean. Okay, number of video creators, number of content creators on YouTube seems higher than the viewers, the watchers, the audience, and those that pay for ads. Okay, it seems YouTube are losing. You understand? You know, YouTube is also here to make money, just like you. So it seems they are no longer getting the interest and profits they're supposed to get, how they used to get before. Okay, I don't know whether you get, I'm not a financial expert or a motivator, but what I'm trying to tell you is that please play with your editing apps. Make sure you play with your editing apps so that you will get monetized on this YouTube space, because if not, the way YouTube is demonetizing channels now, I am also a victim. I have a prayer channel, and I was flagged for inauthentic content. Okay, so my sister, my brother, use your editing tool and play with it. So now our video is ready. Let's see what we have done. I'm so excited.
I wouldn't have made it to 100 years if not for something I did early. This is what saved me. I took my ginger tea.
Okay, she took her ginger tea. Do you know one thing about this? I can still continue. Okay, let me show you guys. Let's continue. I don't want to make this video long, but I don't know, just for some persons that might come under my comment section to say that how did I now complete my video, because definitely my video is going to be complete. So let me show you guys so that you're not going to be stranded, okay, when you're creating your own video. So now we are going to start from where she took her ginger tea. So I've seen it. One thing about this website is going through your prompt is hard, but okay. She said she took her ginger tea. Okay, you're supposed to say she took her ginger tea aggressively. So that is what she's supposed. Oh my goodness. She took her ginger tea aggressively. So I just want to cut the part that she has talked about ginger tea. Only that part. Okay. Yeah. Ginger tea. Let's start with ginger tea. Okay, don't forget. So now let's generate. Okay, you're going to see what I'm talking about. My video is going to be complete, like a whole 16 seconds free video on a free app, and it's unlimited. That is the sweetest part. For now it is unlimited because no trust AI apps, so it can be paid tomorrow. So for now it's unlimited. So let's wait for this video to generate. So guys, our video is ready. So let's scroll down. Let me show you guys what we have done. Okay, this is it. Remember this is the video we have generated. Okay, so look at it. This is the first one, this is the second one. You can see it looks the same. Yes, it looks the same. So now let me play the video. Adverts. Okay, one thing with this website is it does adverts. Okay, it does adverts. Okay, I have not downloaded, so now let's play it, guys.
I took my ginger tea aggressively, and here I am today, aging backwards.
Sweet, you can see it. So this is the first one. You can see they are looking the same.
I wouldn't have made it to 100 years if not for something I did early. This is what saved me ginger tea.
Okay, I will not start from.
I took my ginger tea aggressively, and here I am today, aging backwards.
Can you see? This is another storyline. If you're into storytelling, you can go into, because right now the way YouTube are demonetizing channel, this is something they are not going to demonetize, because this one looks real. This sound, the voice, don't worry. Okay, so guys, so now I'm going to tell you guys the name of the website. The name of this website is viewai3.com. Okay, so don't forget to try it out. Please drop your comments and let me know what you want me to create next. Okay, bye, see you guys.